Everything started with her. The first Eurovision I ever watched.
Jakob worked as a journalist when I met him for the very first time. With my song, Jakob won the children's karaoke.
I still remember coming down the stairs. My parents were not at home. They were at some birthday party and I was home alone, turning on the television and first time cheering for Slovenia on Eurovision.
And now I know him as a party animal. We are the most crazy couple on the dance floor.
At first I thought that Eurovision is just something, you watch on the television. But somehow it kept finding me.
We met Jakob 20 years ago.
Yeah, that's
a lot of time.
He had these big curls, and he was a dancer on national television.
One moment you watch Eurovision on TV, and then in another, 1 second later, you're somewhere backstage inside of everything.
We share a special memory. He was holding our winning machine.
Yes, he helped our team. We needed someone that we count on that the winning machine would actually start.
Jakob was the important guy when we started to plan the IMA performance.
Sometimes Eurovision brought work into my life, and sometimes amazing friendships.
He did the perfect job, and we won IMA 2016.
I never planned Eurovision to become such a big part of my life, but somehow it always came back.
I met Jakob during EMA 2009, and he actually even stayed at my place during Croatian pre-selection for Eurovision, Dora. Well, that's Eurovision life, Well, it's impossible to describe Jakob in one word, so I'm not gonna use one. I'm gonna say he's kind, he's energetic, he's full of life.
He's a sweetheart.
Pure sunshine.
And I want him to win the competition.
Bring that fire that you have inside on this stage.
Just enjoy and, love is all that matters.
Jakob, you can do this, and I know you will be the best.
Unique, this one is for you.